Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Wednesday. How's everybody doing? It's a little chilly here in Chicago, I have to tell you. It is a whopping 10 degrees, I think, right now. And yesterday I was out and about and I thought, this isn't too bad. And it was really, really cold. And I thought, this isn't too bad. It's deceptive looking outside. It's sunny, not a lot of snow. I know chosen family and friends that are out there. It's a little bit snowy where you're at. So, I don't miss those days of shoveling snow. Not at all. So it's got me thinking more. My Palm Springs family and friends that are out there, I'm coming out your way April 2nd to the 8th, staying near downtown Palm Springs. And I haven't been there in a year. I took my fall trip off to go to Key West. So I'm looking forward to being back. I'm really anxious for that. So it's going to be good. I just noticed my little camera is not following me. Might have to take that back to Amazon. And speaking of which, I bought these gloves. They're not too bad for this winter, but they're really bulky and everything. And I've enjoyed them and everything, but they're just a little bulky. And I thought, I'm going to return these back to Amazon because I spent like $22 on them, and I haven't used them a lot. I used them when it was cold, but my other gloves are just as fine. So, oh well. Want to put a plug out there. My seasoning, Gregor Seasoning. Please check out gregorseasoning.com. I haven't had a whole lot of sales lately, but a lot of interest. So, refresh those seasonings that you've had for ages that you buy from the store. It's got all the crap in them, the anti-caking and all that kind of stuff, because my seasoning does not. Yes, this is an info commercial. So please check that out for me on the web. Do some ordering, but spice up your life a little bit, as the Spice Girls would say. But it's some really good seasoning, and I use it myself. I have a lot of people that love it. So give me some love, will you? And some people ask, what have you been doing lately, Greg? Well, I've been doing lecture programs virtually. A lot of people are going virtual. And podcasts. I just recorded a couple of podcasts. One is called Teaching While Queer, which was a really good podcast the other day. That is going to be up in April. And then I did another one that's going to be up in March 6th, and I'll make sure I give you all the links. And I'm really looking forward to one called Lost Spaces, and it's where we found our space in the queer community when we were younger. Those spaces, it could be a gay bar or wherever it was, or we were coming out and you felt that sense of community. And mine was at the Copa nightclub in Flint, Michigan. And I'm looking forward to talking about that. The Copa started in 1980, closed in 1995. And I was there during the heyday, like right around 88, 89, 90, 91, kind of when I was doing college and other things. That's where I met my first boyfriend, James. So I'm looking forward to talking about that and about meeting him. So that'll be great. I also got an email the other day I'm really excited about, and I hope I secure this lecture gig in March. It is for, and I got to read this right, the Youth Advisor Board for Illinois, and they cover a lot of marginalized groups and different kind of youth and youth leaders and things like that. And it's going to be a quarterly meeting that they do, and they hire a speaker, and that's on March 6th, I believe, either March 6th or March 9th. Is March 6th. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm looking forward to maybe being the keynote speaker for them and meeting and that kind of thing. That would be a really special gig for me because I enjoy working with youth in my background. So I'll let you know if I get hired to do that. So that's it. That's all I got. Got a few things going on. My friend Tom is taking me out for dinner tonight, which I'm looking forward to. Belated birthday. Yeah, I know. Still celebrating. It's almost a week later. That's what happens when you get older. Oldish. Yeah. So, thanks, Tom. Have a good day. And I want to mention really quick, I'm thinking about this. If you have any questions that you would like me to answer on a future vlog, do that now. Put your question down here. I will answer those. Anything you want. There's no restrictions. So ask away, and I will respond with those. Probably not until next week. So I'll give you some time to think about it. But mention those down in the comment, or you can message me if it's too juicy. All right, I'm letting you go. Subscribe, like, and share right over here. And I will talk to you on Friday. Have a good one. Keep warm if you're in the Midwest. And take care of yourselves. Crazy times we're living in, right? Let's all be good. Protect your peace. I'll see you.